Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Wow, the light here today is really good. Also put some makeup on for the first time in ages. So as you guys know, many of you follow me on Instagram and you have seen that Benny and I launched Easy about a week ago, or I don't know exactly when I'm posting this video. Anyway, we launched, and we had our initial launch planned in March, and that's also when I vlogged or like whole campaign shoot and when we were in Malibu. And I never posted this because of course it has to be still kind of exciting and I didn't want to reveal too much. And then when COVID happened, I was like, this is also weird. And then we were postponing our launch and it felt just a bit weird to post that like outdoors vlog. I don't know how long all of this is still going to take, and I don't even know like in what kind of world we're coming back to. I don't think anything will be back to normal. So that's why I decided I will be sharing the vlog today. So Benny and I, we sold out in the first like week, but all the Easy face oils are back already. So yeah, you guys can get your hands on this. And I will make another video where I explain and really share with you guys how I use it personally as well. But for today's video, I will be just sharing our vlog from February where we were backstage on our campaign shoot. But before we're going to start, I actually do want to say one thing, and that is thank you guys so much for all your support, for all your love and all your motivational words, because I really couldn't have done this without all of you, and I am very proud. So I just wanted to say a big thank you as well to you. Okay, I think it's time to start the video, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it. Good morning guys, welcome to a new video, Rise and Shine. It's a little gray outside. Today I'm gonna do a little vlog. Today's a very exciting day because Benny and I are going to shoot some content in Malibu for Easy, and we have like models coming, we have like photographers, we're gonna make film, so it's gonna be really fun. And yesterday we already did a little bit with like a friend of ours, Liv, and I have to say it was really fun to, for once, like instead of being in front of the camera, like behind and not taking pictures, but like, you know, doing creative direction and like doing product shots, and I had so much fun. I'm going to get ready quickly, then I need to film a little video here at home, and then in the afternoon we will drive up because the light during between like 12 and 3 is just like so harsh, so we can't really shoot. Around 11 we will drive there, prep everything. We got like a big suitcase with like clothes and stuff. We're gonna have like a really fun shoot day, so you guys follow along. We're all ready. I am going to make some coffee feed to start the day. We still have boxes. I'm gonna film like another video here before we're gonna leave. I mean, we made a little like setup here. Oh yeah, let me show you guys. So here we go, all like beautiful flowers for our shoot today. And I just need, oh, we also got some like bikinis because we're gonna go on the beach, and if you're doing like a shoot you always need so many extra clothes because sometimes things doesn't fit, or sometimes you just like imagine like, okay, we're gonna do this shot and this will be amazing, and then when you're on location it looks completely different. So I got some really cute bikinis from Frankie's. I really love these, the blue and the yellow, and then this was a really cool bathing suit. I absolutely love it. Max is also gonna help on the shoot today. You're gonna bring your film camera, right?
All my cameras.
All your cameras. It is crazy like how many cameras we have, but this is my favorite one. Sometimes you guys see like film pictures on my Instagram, which are my favorite pictures, and Max shoots them with this one. Doesn't this look like really cute? I don't know how to use it though. Need to teach me. It's hard, or this camera especially. milk. We don't have oat milk anymore, so my cappuccinos look a little bit sad, but we will live with it. So I made myself some breakfast and I already crushed it. I also had like, this is peanut butter with banana and vegan bread from Erewhon. Or I had bread with ricotta and avocado, but that one I forgot to film. And Benny is here. Hey Benny, say hi.
We're gonna do a skincare shoot in Malibu today with some amazing models and photographers and videographers.
So excited. We're just going through the edits from our like last videos. And we're prepping a little bit, eating some breakfast. We need to get some snacks. If you want to keep your peeps happy,
Feed them.
feed them. We're gonna finish up some work and then we're gonna go. Guys, it feels like we're going on a family vacation. Look at this. So we're like packing all the suitcases.
All the food.
All the food. We got some snacks going on here. Such a big mess here now, but I'm gonna take this hat too. Oh, pineapple. This is our prop. Pineapple. Do we got everything? Yeah. There we go. So 15 minutes later, I think I got all my stuff and we are ready to head to Malibu.
We're in Griffin's car on our way to Malibu.
We love your hat.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be wearing it.
Is it like Zimmerman or something?
Zimmerman.
Oh, that's fancy.
We are like, look at this guys. We have like flowers. Yeah, so yesterday we were also shooting some stuff and we had a bottle on a stone and we wanted to get the shot that the sea was like coming on the background, but there was a really big wave and it just like took our easy bottle into the sea and then we lost it. Oh my god guys, it's so pretty here! Look, we have a little patio. Look at Benny shining there. Let me give you guys a tour. So this is our little like cute little cabinet. We actually we rented this place on Airbnb. Oh, and here's like the bedroom. So spacious, that's very nice. And here we have like a little bathroom. Amazing. This place is adorable.
Isn't it so cute?
Benny's gonna get some snacks and then yeah, we're gonna start shooting. Giving you guys a little tour. Over here we have all our accessories for the product shots. This is tech station, Max. Then we go to makeup. Oh, snacks, fruits, accessories here, bras. Oh, I found your sunglasses.
Oh, yeah.
Your bag. And then here we got all the clothing. That's great, right? And in the bed we can shoot this thing here. So guys, our first model arrives.
Hi, I'm Nina. I'm so excited.
Where are you from?
I'm from Sweden.
You're from Sweden.
European girl.
She actually knew how to pronounce my name because that's what Scandinavian and Dutch people think.
Yes.
She's getting ready right now. Makeup. At 2 p.m. we will have a couple other models coming. So that will be fun. So pretty. Actually, the top you're wearing now like that is perfect.
That's why I was like, this is
this is it, yeah.
I
She
brought
showed me
like,
two options. I was
yeah.
like, nope, this one.
Yeah, I brought like 5 of them. So
Yeah, no, it's good. There's never been a backstage with this good lighting though. Office with a view. Say hi. And there's Max. Do you need something? Sure. So I'm gonna take a look at Max at the beach. How is it going here? Do you like your office here?
Not all of them are great, but we just tried a bunch of different things.
Yeah, I love it.
Hi, I'm Lizzie Adler.
You're from?
I'm from Orange County.
Yeah.
Orange County. And this is? You're from LA. What is your best makeup tip?
Wash your face,
Wash your face.
especially at night. Moisturize.
That's a skincare tip.
Makeup tip too. Less is more.
That is true.
I really love. The more you slathers, you're gonna like texture is texture.
Yeah. So we're all dressed in easy color. White and nude. So cute. Let's go to the beach. We're doing our last video shots on the beach. Look at her. And there we have Casey. So pretty.
Turn around, doing over. There we go.
Benny down. Oh, but I still love you. High five. We have a photo shoot going on here. We have filming there. Product shots there. And then we have here. Hey Lizzie. Look at both of you. It looks so pretty. It's kind of weird, but I kind of feel like a proud mama right now because look at the girls. They're so beautiful. And you know what? I never really done this before that. You know, I'm always the model who like shows up on set, and this time Benny and I created the whole shoot, the idea, the styling, the photographers, the location. And it was so fun to do that and behind and see it from a different perspective. And then it looks like this beautiful, and it makes me so happy with girls who like just started in industry, some with more experience, and yeah, proud mama, proud mama. What do you think so far?
I'm so happy.
I know, right?
The outfits, the makeup, well, little makeup, but the location, everything is so good. I'm so happy.
It looks.
I love it when the models are happy. Like that means they were taking selfies and they're just like, I love it when the models are excited.
Yeah, and it's just like a little loose. I was just telling them that I kind of had this like proud mama feeling, and I don't know why, but I was like, we created this.
It's like you feel so happy to see it coming to life and people liking the products and having fun. Like that's why I want to do shoots that like are fun and doing locations that are fun and the
this
models.
was
I think
really,
when you're enjoying it, the models are enjoying it.
Yeah,
right?
I think so too. I think so too, for sure. I don't know, you know what? I really love both. I love being in front of the camera, but also I noticed I love being behind and kind of creating this. Because it's a much longer process, right? It's like literally from the beginning to the end. But
I love
it looks amazing. Yeah. And we got some great support from Max.
Yeah, for amazing assistant photographer.
We have Casey, who's amazing with video, and did like, he actually had another job today, and he like drove all the way here to get these shots with the girls. So I'm so grateful for that. I'm so happy. Benny and I were just saying how we could never pull off this bikini because look how beautiful she looks. I would blend in with the color.
Me too. I would look like I was naked.
Yeah. Woo! And that's a wrap. Woo!
Too easy.
Too easy.